Beck, for LGBTI people, one of the most distressing times of their life is when a partner dies, whether it be suddenly or, over a long period of time. Can you tell us about some of the rights that people who are in a same-sex relationship have at that time of life?
Absolutely, and it is often, one of the most stressful times for anyone, but we do hear so many really sad stories about LGBTI people specifically and their experiences. So again, I think it's really important, if you've got the opportunity, to set up what you can to cover off some of that stuff before it happens. Obviously, that doesn't always work if there's a sudden death, but I think it's really important to understand that, there can be invalidation of wills with marriage or divorce, so that's really important. So I always say to people, whenever there's a big life event, go and check your will. So if you get married, if you get divorced, if you have a child, all those sorts of things, go and see a lawyer about your will and get some legal advice about it, because there's some things you can do yourself, but you just don't want to leave things to chance. So I think that's really important. I think it's also really important to potentially look at things like power of attorneys, whether that's for medical decisions or financial decisions, and get some advice around that too, because sometimes we don't think we need these things until we need them.
Does that usually occur at the same time that you change or write your will?
Yeah, look, a lot of wills and estates lawyers will say that. They'll say do it all as a package and do it together. We, as a matter of course, tell all our clients to go and check on those sorts of things because, as I say, I just think life events are really good triggers to do a bit of hygiene on those things. And things like binding superannuation nominations. Not a lot of people, I think, know who they've nominated, or they might have done it eons ago before they were in a relationship. So just really good to check and make sure all those ducks are in a row before they need to be.